Okay, this is exercise or assessment 10.3. The first thing we need to do is load the components we need to create our circuit. So I'm just going to maximize my window here and make sure step lock's on, and then go File, Load Component. Okay, so let me just show you where we start off from. This, as you can see there, is the printed circuit board library in Texoft 2D Design, and we're going to use the schematics, and you'll find all the components here. So for example, battery, there it is, open. Place the battery in position, file, load component next to the battery in the library because it is the buzzer, so we'll open that. You can see the preview there. So we'll get some resistors next, file, load component. So type anywhere in there, press R, it takes you to R, different types of resistors. The one we want is this one, fixed resistor. There's the preview about to appear there. Open that. It's a fixed resistor. The variable resistor we want. So we go here to resistor, and you've got different variable ones to choose from. That's the component we want. Electrolytic capacitor. There it is, just there. And we need some switches. So the switches we need are click anywhere here, press S. So we need one normally open. There it is. And we need load component, push to make switch. Which is okay, so that should be all the components. One thing I've noticed is that you must ensure step lock is switched on there when I've actually moved that component, so now it's actually dropped off the step grid. So probably the best way to put that right is to delete it and then get the component again. Load the component. So it's a switch. Normally open. Okay, so I can comfortably move it around now and it's staying on the grid. Right, okay, the next thing is to orientate the different components the correct way round. So if I go draw, transform, rotate, tells me no object selected. Right, okay, so let's choose a component. Let's do this one, for example. Draw, transform, rotate, and I've got to rotate this through 90 degrees. Click OK. So it orientates the component the way round that I need it to be. So the next one that needs turning around is the electrolytic capacitor, 90 degrees. So I want it like that. Then the push to make switch. Rotating it round as required by the question. The fixed resistor can be rotated like so. Right, so that's all the components rotated the correct way around. I'm just looking at the leads on that fixed resistor, and it looks as if I moved that when my step lock was switched off. So I'm going to just go and load that again. And what you'll see is the leads of the component line up with the step perfectly, and I can rotate it with the grid on step lock. Okay.